Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as turning on your post notifications, that little bell below the video, and you will be able to get notified each time I upload a video, which is super frequently. I post all sorts of Happy Planner content. So if you like Happy Planner as well, this channel is for you. So this video is going to be me decorating my social media planner, which I do in my classic dashboard layout. Dashboard is a term that we use for this kind of layout that has these lists and these squares on the left side, and then each of the days of the week are in kind of like a small rectangle, and then up here the Happy Planner already prints out Monday through Sunday on there, which I use for my videos for the week. So I'm using this book. It's called Biz Babe. It was from, let me see, last year, 2020. And I really like the colors in this book. I've actually been reaching for it a lot because it has some good like maroons and kind of brownish yellow mustard color. And I'm going to use it this week. So I'm excited. Okay. I really need a good list for tomorrow on Tuesday. And then this list I want to put over here. Okay. And there's some really good quotes in this book, so I'm excited to use a lot of those. But I want to focus on the functional parts first. I think this book has some good big boxes that I wanted to try and use. But if it doesn't match, I'm not going to use it. See, like this, I could use okay. And then maybe some washi or something right here. Could do, oh, maybe gray. Okay. Most of the time I really like to cover up that shaded in box. So it just doesn't match a lot of the time. So I feel like I need to cover it up. Now, let's see. Says, let me do this one actually. Working for the weekend. I have a lot of filming I need to do ahead of time because we're gonna have family here just on Saturday. As of right now, it's just Saturday. Okay. And then one of these half circles. All right, I'll do the navy. And then let me get a box. Use this. Okay. I was like very in the zone, so I was barely talking. But I don't know if I love it, but this is going to be a very like straight to business kind of week. So I think it's totally fine. I think what kind of threw me off was using the colors from Modern Meow, but it's all good. Okay, now I just need to fill in all the things. So Okay, once I figure everything else out, I will fill it in. But this is it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I also have a question, and I would love, I'm going to put it in the comments below. So if you can reply to the pinned comment about your preference of video, like the one that you like the most, which is me talking through the entire thing, or where I speed it up really, really fast and do a voiceover, or if you like where most like this video and my last video where I talk just at the beginning and then I put music on for the rest. So I have been playing around with trying different things. I don't want to do the same thing every single time. So, but if there's one that you guys prefer, I would really, really, really love if you would tell me so I can try to do that one more often. But in the meantime, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment for more. Bye, guys.